When the heat hits hard, trust the name that's been keeping homes comfortable for years. From AC installations to furnace repairs and 24/7 emergency service, our certified team is here year-round to keep your home just right, no matter the season. We don't just fix systems, we build long-term comfort with trusted service, honest pricing, and the latest in energy-efficient solutions. So whether you're cooling off this summer or prepping for what's next, choose the team that knows comfort inside and out.